In this video, I'm going to be doing a short review on the Ion Game Day Party. This speaker has bass boost, 3 different lighting modes for the LED feature, and has Bluetooth 5.0. Now here, I'm going to go ahead and cut into the sound test. First, I'm going to be doing it at 15% volume. And the volume goes up to 30. And I will show you the 3 different lighting modes. Now I will show you bass boost on. Now I'll show max volume 30%. Okay, that'll be it for the sound test. This speaker also has a 50-hour battery life with a LED display on the front. It will display bass boost, Bluetooth, power on, and it will display radio. And with radio, there's a button that says radio on the front of the speaker. And when you click it, it gives you options for it. It gives you right here, you click radio. Let me turn it down a little bit. It's going to be a little loud on video.
Bounty, the quicker picker upper.
It has a really good antenna.
Has this ever happened to you? My friend was telling me about his new pair of headphones, so I looked them up online. Now, everywhere I go is a creepy ad for those headphones I looked at one time. I hate that feeling like I'm being watched. I got duck. Me too. Hey, girls.
That'll be it with the radio. And the speaker's max decimal limit on sub cradles is 117 decibels. And I will show you that now. I will show you at max. Actually, I'll show you at 15% volume and then at max. And you'll see the decimal limit at the bottom left on the iPhone.
Everyone gets a free new Samsung Galaxy S22 with a Galaxy trade-in.
Even if my phone this? Dude! Everyone gets a free new Samsung Galaxy S22 with the Galaxy trade-in. Any year, any condition.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
Now I'm gonna show Max volume.
Covered in edge. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
This speaker also tends to get a little quiet on the bass drops, and will continue to be quiet until the higher end comes in. I think that'll finish up with my short review on the on-party speaker Game Day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.